Life of a truck driver, guys. Check this shit right here. I just went and buy me some barbecue, and at this new little spot, man, this shit is just highway robbery. $24, guys. And look what I got. I got brisket, right? Supposedly brisket. That's like literally 3 pieces of brisket. They're supposed to be cornbread, and they're supposed to be dang green beans straight out of the dang can. And this right here is supposed to be a baked sweet potato, guys. So this is the reason why I don't like to eat out, guys. It's just waste of time. It's just waste of time. You don't get your money's worth these days anymore for food. And the key fact is just to buy your food and cook your own damn food at home. Especially being a truck driver out on the road. Because with this meal right here, I probably could have go to Publix, and I probably could have get me 2 steaks, some rice, and some dang green beans. And I probably could have had food for like 2 days. Especially if you go to Publix and they got like steaks on sale and stuff like that. I could probably get me 2 steaks. So guys, times are getting hard. You paying top dollars for food and merchandise and different things, but you really ain't getting the premium stuff they're charging us for, because they're basically charging you charging premium prices, and you're not really getting the premium food. So guys, my solution is to just cook your own damn food. I don't even have the motivation to go out and eating out these days at these restaurants. These restaurants is just like pure rip-offs anyway. Not only that, some restaurants they actually include a tip. A lot of you guys don't look at your receipt when you go into these restaurants. If you don't decide to tip, or even if you was to order your food and just go by and pick it up, a lot of these restaurants, they charge you a to-go fee. So it's like, my suggestion is like, just boycott and just start cooking your own food, guys. That's the solution. I'm out.